Hello everyone, this is Discord Limited Tutorials Part 1, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the new clown decoration for Discord April Fool's Day. This offer will go until April 8th, so I advise that you get this offer as soon as possible, and I'll show you how to do it now. Typically the first step would be going into your user settings and into the loot boxes tab, but not everyone has the loot boxes tab unlocked. If you don't have it unlocked here, one thing you could do to get it open for the first time is to go to any Discord server, preferably one with many members, and then go to the member tab and search for someone with the clown decoration. For example, this guy here has it. You click on his profile and then click on the little "A Clown for a Limited Time" badge, and once you do that, the loot boxes tab will open. If you don't have it open already, it will open a new one for you. I've already tried this. Once you're on this loot boxes tab page, you will have to go here to open a new loot box, and you will keep opening a new loot box until you've received all 9 rewards. Once you receive all 9 rewards, you will get the new decoration. So let's do that right now. As you can see, we just got a new one. Now let's continue and get the rest. There we go. 2 more left. One more to go. And there we go. As you can see, we got the final item. And now we have a new button called Claim Reward. Now that you found all the items, you could claim your limited time reward. So now let's click this button here. And there we go. We have the You Got Clown decoration. And now we can click this button, Change Decoration here. And we can see all my decorations. And now you can see I could choose this one. Click Apply. And now if you go back, you could go to my profile. And you can see that I have the decoration here. And it shows that I have the new badge, A Clown for a Limited Time. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I hope everyone gets this limited time clown decoration, as it's pretty cool. Please check out my other tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next one.